Reading and learning. Let's start. Ben and the hen. Ben has a hen. The hen is red. It pecks at a bug. The hen sits in a pen. Ben feeds the hen. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Who has a hen? Who has a hen? A. Ben. B. Pen. C. Den. A. Ben. Number 2. What is the color of the hen? What is the color of the hen? A. Black. B. Blue. Or C. Red. C. Red. Number 3. What does the hen peck at? What does the hen peck at? A. A bug. B. A bag. C. The pen. A. A bug. Good job. Let us go to the next lesson. Kim and the bag. Kim has a bag. It is a blue bag. It is on a rug. The bag has a pen. Kim grabs the bag. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now, let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Who has a bag? Who has a bag? A. Kim. B. Pam. C. Tim. A. Kim. Number 2. What is the color of the bag? What is the color of the bag? A. Red. B. Blue. C. White. B. Blue. Number 3. Where is the bag? Where is the bag? A. On a mat. B. In a pen. C. On a rug. C. On a rug. Good job. Let us go to the next lesson. Tom and the drums. Tom has drums. They are loud drums. Tom plays the drums. The drums go ba-dum. Tom hums along. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now, let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Who has drums? Who has drums? A. Tom. B. Rum. C. Dum. A. Tom. Number 2. The drums are blank. The drums are blank. A. Noisy. B. Big. C. Loud. C. Loud. Number 3. What does Tom do with the drums? What does Tom do with the drums? A. Hums along. B. Taps the floor. C. Puts them away. A. Hums along. Good job. See you in the next lesson.